matter all the state government across in our country, they should be sensitized on this issue. They should be sensitized for the poor plight of migrants, and all should try to address this issue, because in Bengal it has become a burning issue right now.
So, any assurance given by the Prime Minister?
Yes,
Because
as usual, I have flagged his attention, and he told me, yes, I will be looking after it.
But Home Minister himself is saying that there are so many infiltrators.
So that is different. Infiltrators is different. Migrant labour is different. It is the duty of Home Ministry to find out the infiltrators and send back to their destination. Who has prevented them? For years we are, been told that infiltrators have, captured Indian various parts of India, etc., etc. Crores of infiltrators have been invading the country. But where are those infiltrators? That I don't know. Where are those infiltrators? Where are they settled? Whether all those infiltrators have been identified, deported? I don't know. It is simply, due to the election campaign, they thought it prudent to raise this issue. But later on, everything will be died down.
Mathua community issue you raised because SIR in the SIR process.
Sir, Mathua community, I do not know whether BJP party treats Mathuas as infiltrators. So far, I know that they have been subjected to various kind of religious persecution in Bangladesh and forced to migrate, in India. And over the years, they have been voting either BJP or TMC. But now when SR exercise has been continuing on, they are being felt that their names may be deleted. So they are living in a great consternation, in a great apprehension. So it is incumbent upon the government to look after this issue, because all are those persecuted Bangladesh people belonging to Dalit Samudai and Hindu community.